Hello. Um, I've been showing you a lot of forest, but this one is special for a reason. This is the third forest initiative that we had undertaken. This is just about 3 years back. And the beauty of this is that it is in an industrial compound. Now, what makes it really special is the fact that the owner of this company, Mr. Mahesh Birangi, had the foresight and the inner feeling that there should be something like this on his compound. And mind you, this plot is just about what, 4 to 5 guntas. So that's about 1,000 odd trees. Here again we have about 25 to 30 species of native saplings. 2 or 3 of them may not be native, but most of them are native. We have mixed them up. I mean, the trees have been mixed up with shrubs, and that's why you have flowering trees, flowering plants like jasmine or hibiscus that have been mixed up with the native species and a few other non-native like spathodia or whatever. Now, if industries can invest, if industries can focus upon creating such compounds, creating such lush green environs, within their compound or within their campus, I think it does a lot. It says a lot in terms of the philosophy of the organization, because we all say that industries pollute and a whole lot of other things are being said, yes, but they are an essential part of how we live. And when we are sort of focusing upon the environment and biological or ecological conservation, we succeed in offsetting the effects of whatever pollution is being generated by the particular factory or a set of factories that are around. Just by considering the amount of carbon dioxide that can be fixed up by trees of this size, and by considering the different life forms that these plots can support. So we believe that these kind of plantations are very essential in the modern day world. And again, it's not rocket science, it's easy to do. The easiest thing to do would be to call a Green Savior member over, show him the plot, and we start working on the site. But for as little as 4 guntas or 5 guntas of space within an entire large plot, we can construct a forest of around 1,000 trees. And the result is obvious. I mean, check out this Malabar neem. This is already about 30 feet tall. And check out that artistic, formation of the branches. Some trees surviving under the canopy. Lots of insects around. I'm sure lots of birds around. The people taking up a new height. Multiple species surviving together. The size of the leaves, speaking of a lot of health. And a lot of blessings from Mother Nature. I think every industrial compound or every commercial compound, if they can arrange for some space, we can have these little forests that can mitigate climate change, take care of pollution, take water to the depths, because these kinds of plots are great in terms of taking water to the depths and recharging the groundwater levels. So, signing off, I would like to once again thank Pragati Engineering and specifically Mahesh Birangi for providing us this space, for believing that we can do it. And Mahesh, we just did our little bit and Mother Nature did her rest. And the results are for everybody to see, to appreciate, to wonder, and to accept as an integral part of the way we live our lives. So thank you everyone for watching, and we Green Saviors look forward to creating many such forest spaces within the city, around the city, and any space that you can give us. Thank you one and all.